Take out your headphones, unplug your devices, and close your eyes. Take a second to absorb the world around you. Look around. What can you hear? What can you smell? And what can you feel? Think about the last time that you were present in nature. Notice your breath as your body falls and rises. As Marcus Aurelius once said, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. What are your thoughts like? Are they positive or negative? Notice them, and then return back to your breath. Nature is what keeps us all connected and grounded. Treasure it. Implement some time outdoors into your daily routine to reflect. Make a habit of being in nature. Open your eyes. Look around you and act intentionally. You are now refreshed and ready to carry on with your day.